a bit deaf in front of you.
Bit. Oh, okay. Lilydale traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor is entering and rolling. Runway 36 left for downwind departure to Moorabbin. Lilydale. So who's in the green? Best speed.
Gulfstream traffic, X-ray Romeo on AS350 airborne, 4 miles northeast of the field through 500, climbing 2000, will overfly, tracking Melbourne CBD, Gulfstream.
Nice bright city line, city skyline.
Yeah.
Think you can manage this time?
I'll try not to do, hang on. I'll try not to do anything freaky with my face.
Wide eyes?
No wide eyes, just open eyes. Frankie, stop! Don't do that! We're in control of an aircraft. Frankie's making faces in the back. Someone's got to be wide-eyed. He's helping me. It's not going to be...
I reckon this is probably the best time of day to be able to see it.
5 miles south of Sugarloaf, both showing 2,400 opposite direction, one track northeast, the other southwest, about a mile and a half apart.
I got him, there he is.
Melbourne Centre, thank you, India X-ray on my EC130, over your traffic visual, descending. Copy.
Good.
He said he was going at 2,000.
Did he? I don't remember his call.
I heard him.
Moorabbin Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor, Cessna 172 is at Academy 1500 inbound with Sierra.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Moorabbin Tower, good day, join oblique base, runway 17 left.
17 left, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Foxbat 74, clear touch and go.
Foxbat 74, clear touch and go.
Bleak base.
Well, I'd reckon if you fly at where you think you'd turn final, that's a Balik.
I don't know where that is.
Fly to the right, like at DFO.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Oil cheese a piece. Hatches and harnesses, okay.
Is your downwind join on when you're doing a U?
Actually, I remember Tasha getting told off for calling a join, a base join.
Right. Pretty good here.
Okay.
I think you're pretty good here. When you line up there, you'll be about a little, like just a longish final. BSV fail.
Ah.
It's weird.
But only when it's on low power settings?
I think it might be, yeah.
Sierra Victor, change the runway right available.
Thank you, I'll take a right, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, change the runway 17 right, clear to land.
17 right, clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks.
74, runway 17 left, clear touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, runway 17 left, Foxtrot 74, 24.
It'll work.
Little one touch before the other.
Yeah, you got 12 knots of crosswind.
Yeah, you meant for that to happen, right? Yeah, absolutely. Of course.